Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at the RC car track and we're gonna see, can the Mad Van handle the RC track? Oh, I might be regretting this. It's been raining and it's been muddy, and so far I've run a few cars here and oh, they got all this red stuff all over them. So get into my position here on the mound. Now normally if you're here racing, you would be, I would believe, up there, because yeah, I think that's the pitch. You come in and maybe people work, but I believe the drivers would stand there. But during that time you'd have officials down here, so if you wreck, somebody's there to fix your car. There's no officials here to pick up my car because I will inevitably flip it or, oh wow, I get lucky on that, or get it stuck or something. So I had to just take the high point here. So I want to come out here, shoot a few videos. There's a skate park next door. Getting this thing in the reverse is a real hassle. But anyhow, yeah, so I was like, man, I haven't run the Mad Van in a while. Let's take it out here and see what it's got. I'm definitely not going to take it to the skate park and bash it. Ooh, I don't want to damage this body. Plus, honestly, this is not the most durable car. I've already stripped out a oh, dude, that was my fault. Why did I hit reverse? Why did I hit reverse? I don't know. I did not expect it to catch air like that. Oh wow, I can't wait till next time around. But yeah, so I was like, man, let me take the Mad Van, man. I'll tell you what, so far this thing is doing great. It's probably the best of the vehicles that I've had out here. You know, it's the right size for the track. It's got good power. And I think importantly, these these tires really grip. They do well out here. All right, let's see if I could do this jump a little better this time. Look at that. Man, the Mad Van flies. You know, it's funny on the video I did, like I think the unboxing made, somebody just recently made a comment, oh, it's just another kyosho Fraser with a different you know, tell me one manufacturer doesn't recycle their bodies, please. Besides, this is a little different than what like you're talking about, because it sits higher and has bigger tires. Yeah, so a lot of the kyosho stuff is all built on the same platform. Big deal. So is Arma and Traxxas and everybody else. But I would say this thing is definitely a bit different with the big monster truck tires. And come on, baby, do it. No, you're not gonna do it for me. She's not gonna do it. She's stuck. Yeah, I think these tires are friggin' killer out here. Let's check it. Whoa, baby, yeah, come on, get some Mad Van. Woo! Unfortunately, I don't have a GoPro mount on this. I guess I could use another camera, but let me do that. I need to set up another camera, get you some better shots. Stand by one. Oh, I hope you enjoyed those clips. Man, it takes forever to get the camera set up and then make a couple of passes, try to make sure they come out okay. And like, look, the skate park's empty now. I'm stressing about getting over. There's a guy just showed up with a BMX bike. Man, yeah, I knew there was a risk of that coming out here, but they're calling for rain the next 2 days, and I was like, oh, I need to get out here and get some video shot. Oh, and the sun is like right in my... Sorry guys, usually I try to do really good about that, but yeah, I'm just stressing about getting over there to the skate park. I wanted to do that first because I figured probably never gonna be anybody out here. Oh no, there'll be very few people out here ever, unless, you know, they got a race coming up. So it's a weekday, very few people, but it's the beginning of the year, school going back in session. I looked at the school calendar. The county is still out, but the city schools went back today. So I was kind of hoping, because this is in the city limits, that there wouldn't really be anybody here. Now let's see, if these kids in the BMXs, do they stay down there? No, of course not. Of course they're gonna go in the... Well, at least they're older, not children. So hopefully we can work together and share that. Because I definitely want, I want to run the RCs over there, not anyhow, I'm taking away from this video. I'm sorry guys. Oh no, the mad van. Woo. Tell you what, man, they had these on sale during Christmas. Woo. Pretty good time to jump on one. And you know, after trying to find stuff that was affordable and and that, this, you know, not the, I really wish like the hexes and things in the wheels were more metal. This is all plastic on plastic. Like I said, I've already had an issue popping one out, and then it's stripping. Maybe it was just a one-time thing, but maybe it won't ever happen again. But I just wanted to bring it up, you know. But anyhow, for the price point, I think it was like around $280, $250, something like that when I got this. I think they had that Christmas sale again. You're talking something that's 2S brushless. So when you're shopping around and you're looking at the prices of some of these cars, it is really hard to touch anything under like $400 that's brushless. Or I should say under 300, because this isn't even 300. I think at full price it was 300, maybe 3 something. They said you can get them on sale around like, I think they were $259, $270, I can't remember. But keep your eye out, man. Tower Hobby's always having sales on stuff. It's a fun vehicle, man. I said, for brushless power, it's kind of hard to beat. And you know what? It handles this track pretty good. It's a little bouncy. Could probably use some shock tuning. Ay. Start. Oh, I was heading the right direction. I've never tried to actually jump this anything more than like the little ramp I got built in my backyard. So really surprised at like how well this thing jumps. Oh, it's my fault. Yeah, that's four-wheel drive. I mean, that's another thing too. You look at a lot of these things are maybe two-wheel drive, but they are brushless. And so you got four-wheel drive, brushless. There's no stability control. Doesn't mean you can't add it. You can relatively cheap with a Dumbo radio and a receiver. Add it if you want. But this is good, man. When you don't have it, kind of teaches you that steering control. I really prefer it on something that's faster. You know, when you start getting up into 40, 50 mile an hour, or you got your higher power cars that can just bring the back end around. Ah! It really pays off to have it there. Oh man, I made the jump great, but crashed on landing. Man, everybody, so I hope you enjoyed this look at the Mad Van on a BMX, on an actual RC track. It's fun. Always have a good time with the Mad Van. She's mad. She's mad van. It does. I did not expect this. This is why I'm so glad I brought this. I did not expect this. Is my favorite vehicle to run out here. This really is. It does this so well. It does. And then you got that a little bit too much power for that straightaway, but you have it. Oh yeah. I said maybe a little shock tuning. These aren't like, you know, the best shocks in the world. They are oil filled. So I mean, it just seems a little bouncy. Oh yeah, man, this is a blast. I got a big grin on my face right now, believe it or not. I do. I did not expect this. This is this is fun. The Mad Van. Woo! All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching the Mad Van run out here at the track. Check it out, man. I would definitely still have it on the buy list, man. It's a fun RC. Woo, yeah. The four-wheel drive, brushless power. It's a wheelie machine. Oh no, am I starting to lose that tail light? Oh, I am. Uh-oh. I heard people had problems with this, and they so what I did in the beginning is I hot glued it, but somehow oh wow, that's pulling through. Oh man, that sucks. Well, I probably would have lost the tail light hadn't I done that. Hadn't hot glued it in there. Oh wow. So I guess I'm gonna have to go home and try to heat that up, warm it up a little bit, and pull that out. So, well, before I lose that tail light completely, then we can go ahead and wrap it up. Hope you enjoyed this fine day out here running with the Mad Van. It's a fun RC. Said I would definitely put it on my to buy list, you know, if you don't have one, if you're looking for something fun. Ooh. Let's check it out. You know, for a sub $300 car, Really can't go wrong, man. Like I said, you got brushless power. It's pretty damn durable. I mean, I've had one problem, like I said, with the axles, but I mean, maybe that was just a one-off incident thing. I got a lot of cleanup to do when I get home because this mud has gotten into everything. All right, everyone, appreciate you joining me in these RC vehicle adventures. I hope you enjoyed watching the Mad Van do its thing and dominate this track. Man, I am very surprised at the outcome of that. So, oh boy, yeah, I gotta figure this out, how this whole thing actually looks like. You can put lights in there, like this is a little screw and it holds a LED in there. Huh. Actually, I do think there is a light kit for this. I'm not sure. It does appear to be that way, but that doesn't tell me how these lights are in here. All right, well, something that we'll have to put on the bench and fix later on. Hope you enjoyed the Mad Van. Thank you for joining me. Like, shares, comments appreciated. Links down below. Got you some cool discounts on some stuff and ways to help the channel. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.